Let me ask you something. How many times have you tried sit-ups or crunches, hoping to get six-pack abs? Probably a lot, right? Here's the problem. Sit-ups are not the most effective way to train your core. In fact, studies show they don't even activate your abs as much as you think. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you a move that activates your abs twice as much as sit-ups. And it's way safer for your back. So, if you want stronger, more defined abs, stay tuned. And hey, if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on more science-based fitness tips every single week. Here's the deal with sit-ups. They mainly work your hip flexors, not your abs. That's why a lot of people do hundreds of them and still wonder why their core doesn't look or feel stronger. Plus, all that bending puts unnecessary strain on your spine, which can lead to discomfort or even injury. Bottom line, if you're still relying on sit-ups, you're wasting time. So what should you do instead? The move is called the plank variation, specifically the plank with shoulder taps. Why this exercise? Because it engages your entire core, your rectus abdominis, your obliques, and your deep stabilizer muscles that sit-ups just don't hit effectively. And when you add shoulder taps, you challenge your stability, which forces your abs to fire harder to keep you balanced. Here's how to do it. Start in a high plank position, arms straight, hands under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight, squeeze your glutes, and don't let your hips sag. From here, slowly lift one hand off the ground and tap your opposite shoulder, then switch sides. Keep your body as still as possible. The less you sway, the harder your core is working. Aim for 3 sets of 20 taps. Sounds simple, but trust me, you'll feel the burn way faster than with sit-ups. Now, here's why this move works so well. Unlike sit-ups, where you're pulling your body forward, planks and shoulder taps train your abs the way they're actually designed to work, as stabilizers. Your abs' real job isn't just a crunch, it's to protect your spine and transfer power across your body. That's why athletes rely on moves like planks, anti-rotation exercises, and core stability drills instead of endless sit-ups. If you want to scale this, here are a couple of variations. For beginners, start with a basic plank on your elbows and just hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, working up over time. For advanced lifters, try lifting one leg while tapping your shoulder, or do it on an unstable surface like a medicine ball to really challenge your core. I'll give you a quick example. One of my friends used to do 200 sit-ups a day, thinking it was the secret to abs. But all he got was a sore neck and lower back. When he switched to planks and shoulder taps, he not only saw better of definition, but he also noticed his lifts in the gym got stronger because his core stability improved. That's the difference the right exercise makes. So here's your action plan. Stop wasting time on sit-ups and start adding plank shoulder taps into your routine. 3 sets a few times a week, and you'll start noticing real results in your core strength and stability.